These are the sounds the Russian brown bear makes. These are the sounds the Russian wolf makes. These are the sounds the Russian fox makes. These are the sounds the Russian hare makes. These are the sounds the Russian wild boar makes. These are the sounds the Russian Amur Tiger makes. These are the sounds the Russian lynx makes. These are the sounds the Russian moose makes. These are the sounds the Russian deer makes. These are the sounds the Russian raccoon makes. These are the sounds the Russian squirrel makes. These are the sounds the Russian hedgehog makes. These are the sounds the Russian beaver makes. These are the sounds the Russian polar bear makes. These are the sounds the Russian walrus makes. These are the sounds the Russian penguin makes. These are the sounds the Russian dolphin makes. These are the sounds the Russian shark makes. These are the sounds the Russian octopus makes. These are the sounds the eagle makes. Listen to the falcon screaming. Listen to the sound of a hawk. This is the voice of an owl. This is the sound a heron makes. Listen to the stork's cry. This is the sound of a raven. Listen to the Amur leopard growl. The Amur tiger growls so menacingly. This is the roar of the rare snow leopard. The population of these predators in Russia is 75. Listen to the roar of the Russian brown bear. Listen to the roar of the most dangerous polar bear. These are the sounds Russian wolves make. Listen to the sound of the forest cat, called Lynx, in Russia. It is better not to meet a wild boar in Russia. These are the sounds it makes. Thanks for watching.